finally, the uncomfortable question. Without Washington's alliances or Beijing's deterrence, do conflicts cool or ignite? A South China Sea without China sounds calmer, but a Taiwan without US protection sounds explosive. Eastern Europe without the US umbrella invites risk. The Arctic becomes a naval chessboard. Africa becomes the focus of new influence battles. And technology embargoes multiply, not between two superpowers, but between everyone. The world still innovates, still trades, still grows, but it does so on thin ice.